Okay, the 7915 has its leads formed, and once those leads are formed, it'll go into the board, although probably not easily. And then what you should do is put the units leads through the board as much as possible, bend them over, alright, we're going to reflow the area here for the connector, and this is a preventive measure because in many cases you'll find that there's been a fracture where the pin comes through the board, and this results in an intermittent contact. You should do that for these also on the amplifier, since this unit is prone to having this type of problem. I'm going to take the board and remount it. And then we're going to add the connectors again. I'm going to turn it on and check our voltages. Minus 15. 1479, that's close enough in the ballpark to 15. So at this point in time, we should check it to make sure the preamp and all the other parts are operating and that there's no additional problem. Okay, we're going to check our bias, and in this particular instance here, we're going across the point 47. We're reading 001. We're going to change that a little bit. To about 015 or 17 or 18. We'll have to go down to about 13 or so, and we'll do the same for the other channel. There's no signal going through at the time, by the way. There we go, 12 or 13. Now the bias should be around 20 to 25 MA. This is 13 or 14 is going to have to do. The pot's a little scratchy. The way you compute the bias, the resistor is 0.47, so you would say 0.14, which is the voltage reading, divided by the resistor on the emitter, and that gives you 29 MA, which is more than sufficient. The other one was 0.13 divided by 0.47, and that gave you 27 MA. You want them in the area between 25 and 30 MA for the bias. Now for the offset, what you'll have to do is actually go to the actual output channel itself, and we're going onto the fuse. There's no signal coming in. We're going to the plus leads of the meter, and there's our minus. That's 002, as we're going to adjust the spot. So that it's at the minimum, close to 0. It's a little touchy. And that's going to be about as good as you're going to get. 0.08 volt. Then you should go to the other channel and adjust it for the offset. That's the amount of DC voltage. It's the balance on the thing. 056, it's in line. And you want to keep it under 1/10 of a volt going to the speaker. The first set of pots, I adjusted this one and this one are the bias. These two here are the offset.